This is Pythagoras theorem proof number 5, and to prove that, basically what is trying to say, this one equal this blue one, red one is red one, so this is a square plus b square is c square. Basically that's the idea. Now first of all, this is a triangle, and this base is the same, still same height, so same area, and compared to the earlier one, rotated counterclockwise 90 degree. So b goes here, c goes here. And from here, move down using this one as a base, same area still. So half of that triangle is triangle, so this area should be this one. Basically, same thing happened for the blue area as well. So the same base, so if you move same height, still same area. Now clockwise 90 degree, C go to here, so this goes to that. And then this one move down there, still the same area. So triangle, the same thing, so area twice as much. This area is the same as this one. So therefore, blue is the same, green, red is the same, so a square plus b square is c square. Proof.